scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems are easy if you follow the right steps. Let's find the area and volume for the shaded region now. To solve this problem, we first find the area by integrating the top function minus the bottom function from 0 to 3. This setup gives us the exact total shaded area. For part B, the volume is found by integrating the cross-sectional area. Since the height is x and the base is the difference between functions, we integrate that product across the interval. For part D, tangent lines are parallel when derivatives are equal. Set the derivative of f equal to g's derivative and solve for x. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given information and check your steps.